Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Subramanian. Eggs are one of my favorite proteins and I've done several egg recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description, you can check it out. Today I am going to share a wonderful yet simple and tasty egg masala. This preparation is very different from the usual egg masalas I've made. So let's get started and check it out. To a pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil, add about 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, add about 2 onions thinly sliced and 3 green chillies slit. Saute the onions till they are nice and transparent. They've turned to a nice golden color. Next, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it along with the onions. Add a few fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves brings a lot of flavor to any dish. Next, add 1 large tomato finely chopped. Just mix it all in. Once the tomatoes start getting mushy, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all the spice powders. After 2 to 3 minutes, add about half cup of water. For this recipe, I've taken about 5 eggs. Crack open 5 eggs and drop them one by one gently into the pan. Close the pan and cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, let's check. Now gently flip the eggs over to the other side and cook for another 2 minutes. So the simple yet delicious egg masala is done. You can see how easy this preparation is. It can be made in minutes. It's a perfect side dish. You can enjoy it as is, or you can have it with some nice chapathi, or you can enjoy it with some rice, rasam and sambar. So you can see how simple this recipe is. Let me tell you, it's very tasty. This goes very well with chapatis, with rice. You can enjoy it with some nice sambar as a side dish or with rasam. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.